Well, welcome back, guys. Let's do this. Let's just go straight to it. Sine. Dealing with sine A+. If you remember from last tutorial, A plus B, we can rewrite it to this thing. I don't think I'll write down we can rewrite it because you can hear me saying we will, or we can rewrite it to this. Yep. If you guys want me to repeat that, write it. Nope, I'm not in the mood. Sorry. By the way, Black Leopards was leading 1-0. Playoffs, upset playoffs. I don't know if it's gonna win. If it's gonna win, I'll be happy. I'm a Limpopian, so I'll be so happy for that. Oh yeah, still talking about being Limpopian. There's it. I was hoping this gonna be like really fast, but due to me talking and getting lost and all of it. Okay, I said I'm gonna be stopping giggling. I don't know why I was giggling. It sounds like I'm on some things. I don't know. I'm not saying guys be on some things because kids are watching this. We have literally shown this from the previous tutorial. It's equals to sine. Now we're subbing. And we've shown this. We're subbing it. B with negative from the previous tutorial. If you don't remember this, go watch the previous tutorial. Type it to minus. No. This is how I wrote it from the previous tutorial. And sine and negative B. Yep. This was proven in the previous tutorial. I won't even write it because you can hear me. Wow, man, I sound like a grumpy old man, and I'm so young. Doesn't make sense. Yep. Wonder why lovers leave me. Yeah, it's so sad. Remember, I've told you about this negative. Yeah, negative. Yeah, who cares? That's it. And now, this one is negative. If you don't know how good you, please, and I advise you over and over again, watch the first tutorials, revision tutorials in a playlist. I've took all my time and strength explaining that. I should have just made it positive, but yeah, it doesn't matter. Now, negative times negative, this one is equals to positive, right? Even though I didn't say it first time. Oh my god. Okay. sinB. Therefore, remember this is a therefore. I think I should start writing God, programming languages because I come with my own styles. Wow, yippee. So therefore, sine A is equals sine A plus B. I won't space it out, but I definitely do need to make this a capital. I think I should make everything capitals, but it wouldn't make sense. It wouldn't be legit. Let's just copy this one, copy paste this. Close your eyes, kids. Don't do that. Because copying will literally. Yes, we're done, and yep, we're done with this tutorial. Well, see you in the next tutorial. Bye. Before we see you in the next tutorial, let me just do this. Yep, see you in the next tutorial. Bye.